Ladies and gentlemen, dear partners and customers, welcome to Absen Spring Event 2023, Absen Innovation, the future reimagined. I'm Emma, General Manager of Absen Overseas Sales System. It's a great honor to meet all of you here. Thanks for your joining. Today we are going to talk about Absen's latest innovation about the brand strategy and also products. Let's reimagine and explore together. Today's event consists of three parts. Firstly, Absen new category brands will be released. Secondly, we will introduce the new products under these new category brands. Last but not the least, we will present as well our channel recruitment program in 2023. Now let's get started with the first topic, Absen category brand launch. In order to explain clearly the innovation about Absen brand strategy, we will review first Absen history and Absen core technology development, which will help us to understand better the background of this brand incubation. Established in 2001, Absen now is the world's leading LED display product and service supplier with 22 years experience. These figures have witnessed the Absen development result. Firstly, we are so proud to announce that among all the Chinese LED exporters, Absen has been #1 for 12 consecutive years. Absen had 13 domestic and international subsidiaries with warehouse, showroom, and service center. After many years channel development, today we have more than 6,000 channel partners and more than 16,000 channel engineers globally. The well-recognized Absen Certified Engineer Program formed already 3,000 technicians worldwide. This network can offer 7 days, 24 hours professional service. With all these capabilities and experiences, 50,000 customers choose to work with Absen, and we will continue to be customer-centric and keep creating values for customers. After looking back on Absen history, I will talk about Absen core technology development. LED industry keeps fast growth since 1990s. Today, 1.8, 1.5, 1.2 mm became already very common in the market. Mini LED and micro LED technology with more solid design and smaller pixel pitch possibility will generate large opportunities by replacing more rapidly traditional display technologies like LCD, DLP, and projections. The prediction of $12 billion market size in 3 years is obtained under this background. Absen core technology covers mainly the 4 aspects: micro LED, HDR, intelligent interaction, and green technology. I will introduce briefly each of them. In the micro field, a variety of technologies coexist, such as MIP, IMD, and COB. There is a difference between the process of encapsulation, and there is also a difference between face-up chip and flip chip. The top LED companies have invested heavily in mini and micro LED technology. It's expected that the sub-1 mm market will explode in the next 3 years, and the LED products will eventually enter the consumer market. As the LED products has met already the very basic requirements of the customers, it aims to pursue more professional picture qualities. According to the low-grade characteristics of LED lamp, combined with the deteriorating algorithm, we modify and use each grayscale to optimize the low-grade display effect and expand the details of the dark part of the image. That's how HDR is realized. The image contrast processed by HDR is more comfortable and more vivid to human eyes. The future display device will be as simple and intelligent as the future life. Equipped with AI and IoT, it can realize voice control, gesture control, app control, and other convenient operations. So intelligent design and display interaction constitute also the development of Absen technology. The last one to introduce is Absen Green. With the extreme change of climate and also the shortage of energy supply, most of the countries have realized the urgency of environmental protection and have set up double carbon targets in order to reduce pollution and emissions. A series of technology such as common cathode LED technology, high-efficiency power supply, high-efficiency LED lamp, and comprehensive heat dissipation design were applied to Absen products in order to save power, and we will continue to make efforts to be more green in the future. After 22 years experiences and reputation accumulation, Absen brand became already a very known brand in LED industry. With the new technology development, LED market will boom again in the near future. In order to explore more deeply some vertical industries with specific features, develop more professional products and solutions, form more dedicated teams, Absen upgraded the single Absen brand to 3 new category brands. As the first year to operate new brands, the focus of 2023 is to build brand awareness and also to increase the influence of the market. In 2024 and 2025, we will continue the metrics management of these brands and explore more possibilities regarding multi-brand strategy. So, finally, after talking so much, the 3 new category brands are Absen, AbsenLive, Absenicon, and AbsenCP. Absen will still stay the main brand. In the following time, I will explain the most focused vertical market of each of them. Primarily, Absen brand still covers all the vertical markets since the company has a very wide product range for different scenarios in high-end market, mainstream market, and also entry market. Among all the different industries, the most focused ones for Absen brand will be digital out-of-home and Pro AV, and the latter constitutes the biggest market in the future with most innovative technologies. So, the new category brands. The first one is AbsenLive, dedicated to high-end rental and staging and virtual production and XR stage markets. Through the state-of-art LED, AbsenLive will facilitate the fusion of virtual and real, which brings immersive experience to the audience and creates extraordinary value to the customers. The second category brand is Absenicon. This name should sound familiar to you guys because it's already very famous in the market. Absenicon focuses on high-end meeting room applications and conference rooms applications, and eventually consumer display, for example, home cinema in the future. The key features of Absenicon is all-in-one solution, plug-and-play, user-friendly, and interactivity. Through offering large LED displays above 100-inch, Absenicon will bring you upgraded audio-visual experience at office and also at home. The last category brand is AbsenCP. The background of this brand is the large module market in China and also in Asia. It's very risky to install modules directly, especially a lot of the products are without certifications and cannot meet the safety standard. Aiming to offer a certified and safe solution to this market, AbsenCP was born firstly in China and also largely welcomed very fast in Asia, Africa, and Latin America. Focusing on large entry Pro AV market and focusing on channel distribution, AbsenCP can offer you the most competitive solution from cost perspective. Above is the introduction about Absen brand innovation. There is Absen plus AbsenLive, Absenicon, and also AbsenCP. We believe this change will make Absen brand wider and stronger in different vertical markets. It's a start to the reimagined future. Next, we will move on to launch Absen new products and the different category brands. The first one will be Absen brand. It includes mainly micro LED products such as Clear Cobalt version 2 and also KLCOB version 2. Let's welcome our Key Account Manager Ken from US to tell you more.
Thank you, Emma. Hi, I'm Ken Kalish, Sales Director with Absent North America. I'm speaking to you from our U.S. headquarters located in Orlando, Florida. We really appreciate you attending our 2023 spring event and hope that you will gain some new information and knowledge about our Direct View LED display products. As you will learn, Absen has improved many of our already great displays. Our product design and engineering teams continue to work and adapt new technologies to improve our LED displays. You will notice that we have made improvements that provide greater viewing and product performance, including energy-saving features and ease of installation. Today, we will look at our improved and updated clear cobalt display, the KL COB display, and the acclaimed V3 display upgrade. Clear Cobalt Series is the ultimate COB LED product of Absen, which adopts the flip chip COB technology. What is flip chip? Flip chip technology is new to the LED industry, and Absen is leading the way with this exciting new technology. With flip chip technology, we are able to change the electrical connection of the red, green, and blue within a single LED. These changes provide high brightness. The light performance is not disrupted by the shadows of other obstacles. High contrast. This provides a larger black fill area with higher contrast. Enhanced durability. The solder points reduced by 53.8%, lowers the failure rate of the LED, and lower power consumption at the same brightness. In the future, indoor applications will fully utilize micro LED displays. Absen actively deploys and supports micro LED technology. We cooperate with other upstream manufacturers to develop COB technologies with substantial investments in our COB manufacturing center. The COB product of the Absen adopts full chip technology, dedicated in-color processing, and self-developed HDR10 technology, which has higher contrast ratio, higher brightness, lower power consumption, and better picture quality. After the release of the first generation of Clear Cobalt, the product received a lot of praise. To meet the demands, we are launching the CLV2 series after significant research and development. The CLV2 series has multiple pixel pitch choices, 0.7 millimeter, 0.9 millimeter, and 1.2 millimeter. Your choice to select the best pixel pitch and screen size to meet the project requirements. We have made some improvements to the new CLV2 series. The CLV2 is lighter and thinner with better quality image performance, lower energy consumption, better flatness, and ease of maintenance, all to improve a better experience. With the Clear Cobalt series, we have black coating technology, stunning visual effects, high reliability, energy savings, excellent flatness, and convenient maintenance. The CL looks completely different from the CLV2. The appearance of the CLV2 is more exquisite. Compared with the CL, the new CLV2, the panel is reduced by 13%, from 7 kilograms to only 6.1 kilograms. The panel depth is also reduced by 14%, from 58 millimeters to 49.8 millimeters. These changes provide a better looking overall display while making it easier to assemble the display. With full black coating technology, the Clear Cobalt series has not only gained a non-reflective surface, but also produces vivid colors for true-to-nature images. CLV2 series has stunning visual brightness and can reach up to 1200 nits after color correction, a perfect display for HDR10 effects. 20,000:1 contrast ratio for improved light and dark details. Absen also improved the grayscale and refresh rate of the CLV2 series to a 16-bit color depth and a refresh rate improvement from 2880 Hz to 3840 Hz. With the chip-on-board technology, the product has high reliability with super protective performance. It's moisture-resistant, dust-resistant with anti-oxidation, anti-static, and anti-blue light features. Equipped with Absen's quadruple energy-saving technology, innovative power supply solutions, the standby power consumption of one cabinet is as low as 3.6 watts. Auxiliary installation design at the connection plates in the cabinet allows for quick positioning of the modules to ensure smoothness of the display surface. With front maintenance design, larger module design, and screw connections between the lamp board and the cabinet makes the dismantle of this display more convenient, faster, and easier. The CL-V2 is used in various scenarios and suitable for control room, conference rooms, TV studios, corporate lobbies, as well as luxury spaces. Now we will take a look at our KL-COB series. It is our professional COB LED product from Absen. The KL-COB series has multiple pixel pitches, 0.9 millimeter, 1.2 millimeter, 1.5 millimeter, and 1.8 millimeter. You can choose the pixel pitch and screen size to fit your application requirements. The KL-COB series is ultimately light, captures brilliant colors, and is convenient for all maintenance and installations. The KL-COB series is the thinnest and lightest Absen product, which is also a benefit to save time during installation. The weight is only 4.3 kilograms and the depth of the panel is 39.8 millimeters. Integrated multiple Absen image optimization technologies, the KL-COB enhances the clarity and visibility to bring out natural details and vivid colors for realistic and incredible images. The maximum brightness of the KL-COB is up to 600 nits, which is perfect for HDR effects. The contrast ratio is up to 15,000 to 1, clearly showing the light and dark details of the picture for stunning visual effects. The inner panel connector is very helpful during installation for rapid positioning of the module to ensure flatness and no visible seams. Front maintenance design with no back shell makes dismantle and maintenance more convenient. The acclaimed V3 series with pixel pitch options of 1.2, 1.5, 1.9, and 2.5. The new acclaimed A27 V3 power consumption has been reduced by 30% due to our new APS energy saving technology. The brightness of the A2712 and the A2715 series can reach 800 nits, while the brightness of the A2719 and A2725 can reach 1000 nits. The weight of the A27V3 is 5 kilograms compared to the older version at 6 grams. The depth of the A27V3 is only 44.5 millimeters compared to the older version of 49 millimeters. Better flatness is achieved as well as protection against electrical current spikes. Option for providing dual power and data backup version is also available. The panel aspect ratio of 16:9 is made for optimal visual effects, ideal for commonly used videos and presentations. The panel has a thickness of 44.5 millimeters and a weight of 5 kilograms. Available in multiple pixel pitch to build a 2K, 4K, or 8K display for ideal HD viewing experience. Viewing distances and pixel pitch suggestions are, for a 3.6 millimeter viewing distance, it is suggested to use a 1.2 millimeter pixel pitch. At 4.5 meter viewing distance, a 1.5 millimeter pixel pitch. At 5.7, we suggest using a 1.9 pixel pitch, and at 7.5 meters, we suggest using a 2.5 pixel pitch. Absen's APS technology can lower power consumption by up to 30% and reduce the surface temperature of the screen. The APS energy-saving technology is only available with the A27V3 series. ABS Absen's exclusive energy savings technology, which enhances power supply efficiency through precision supply of the power to the RGB lamp bead. Absen's green new initiative is leading our industry in sustainability, environmental protection, energy efficiency, and corporate social responsibility, reaffirming our commitment for a better future for all. The Absen's green banner indicates the use of only sustainable, environmentally friendly materials with rigorous safety standards to prevent damage to our natural world. The brightness of the A2712 and 15 V3 series can reach 800 nits, while the brightness of the A2719 and 25 V3 can reach a brightness of 1000 nits. Absen's professional color management technology offers an automatic adaptation to the source video color gamut to ensure saturated color display, excellent sharpness, rich texture in dark areas, and precise color reproduction. The A5C Plus pixel-by-pixel calibration technology effectively improves display uniformity and color consistency and significantly enhances color saturation to recreate the natural splendor of the world. It converts SDR source to HDR image quality for a visual feast of true-to-life colors and fine details. The A2712, 19, 25 V3 contrast ratio is 4,000:1, and the A2715 V3 contrast ratio is 4,500:1. After internal processing, the grayscale can reach 16-bit depth. HDR10 image processing technology is available with a customized version. The acclaimed V3 series viewing angle is 160-degree both horizontally and vertically, allowing for even color rendering without color cast. The overcurrent protection technology safeguards module components when there is an abnormal electrical current or electrical spike. This technology prevents overheating, which could damage some components and short-circuit the system. There is no need to load the configuration file manually when switching or replacing a module. After a reboot, the display will automatically configure to the proper settings. The optional dual backup version ensures uninterrupted display and stable transmission, making it more appropriate for control rooms and TV studios. The hidden wire design offers a clean appearance in the back, focusing on a friendly and secure user experience. It uses module design so it looks more concise. Precise floating connectors facilitate bright and dark line adjustments for high display consistency. Internal adjustable connectors and XYZ axis alignment adjustment for multi-dimensional improvements of flatness between panels. Wall mounting and hanging bar installation is equipped with an internal adjustable connectors. The Z-axis alignment function is only available on the ground stacking installation method. Standard ultra-thin trim piece solutions are also available to hide the side wiring and enhance the customer viewing experience. This trim piece is an optional item. Standard wall mounting solution enables a depth of less than 75 millimeters for the frame and LED display, providing standard hanging installation solutions to fulfill demands of the various environments. Ground stacking installation solutions is provided for quick installation of the LED display wall. The ceiling display option mounting is also available and provides a new level of visual experience. Ceiling installation solutions do need to be customized. The A27 V3 series provides full front maintenance with a vacuum power tool used for easy removal of the module. The Acclaim can be used in various applications. Thank you again for attending the spring event. It has really been my pleasure to talk to you about some of our new product development. I now have the pleasure of introducing Ross Burling, who will now talk to you about our newest DOOH, which is Digital Out-of-Home Solutions and Sports Solutions. Thank you again for participating in our 2023 spring event.
Hello, I'm Ross Burling, the European Industry Development Director at Absen for Out-of-Home and Sports. Today I'm going to provide you with the latest news on our LED display solutions for the out-of-home and sports markets. Let's begin with our Lightbox display solution for advertising. The key points that I'm going to cover will be focused on the out-of-home market and current insights, the Absen Lightbox solution, and then finishing with some examples of the application for this solution. So what's happening in the advertising displays market? What are the customer demands and how is Absen addressing these? In recent years, we've seen a trend in the global advertising industry of gradually moving away from static and lightbox type advertising to fully digital advertising. Today, there are two main types of technologies, LCD and LED. Of these two technologies, LED is ever evolving and offers multiple options and the types of LED solutions available. These include, but are not limited to, surface mount diode, glue on board, and chip on board, with each technology offering specific advantages for this application. Based on the data from leading market research platforms, the outdoor LED high-resolution fine-pitch market is growing rapidly, with annual growth of around about 30%. What are the main benefits for using LED over LCD technology? Well, the first and obvious one is brightness. Today, LCD technology used in this application has a brightness level of between 2,000 and 3,000 nits. Whilst there are some exceptions with LCD products that can achieve 4,000 to 5,000 nits, the extremely high cost of these versions means they're often not a viable option. Allied to the brightness is the power consumption. Based on an average square meter consumption, high brightness LCD technology uses between 2 to 4 times more power than LED. And I'm sure we can all understand the implications of this given the current energy crisis and today's energy costs. Maintenance. If a fault develops requiring the repair or replacement of an 86-inch LCD panel, this requires 2 people and a considerable amount of time to facilitate the repair or change. As an LED display is based on modular technology, the removal and replacement of a single LED module or even an LED cabinet can be completed by one engineer in seconds, saving both labour and time costs. The IP rating. Unlike the majority of LCD products, which typically require an IP65 rated housing to protect them from harsh environments, The Absen LED cabinets are themselves IP65 rated. This allows for the lightbox housing for an LED solution to be of a lighter weight and lower carbon footprint design. Lifetime. Absen LED lifetime in half brightness in a 24/7 application is 100,000 hours. And this is often further improved by the fact that the display will not be running at its full brightness if it only has to operate at a comparable brightness to the previous LCD technology. What are the key components of the Absen LED Lightbox display? Absen Lightbox display solutions have the AW series LED hardware at their core. The AW series is an outdoor fine-pitch display and is available in 2 panel sizes to provide maximum configuration flexibility. These panels are incorporated into the Absen Lightbox display housing to provide the complete solution. The product is currently available in 3.9, 2.8, 2.5 and 1.9mm pixel pitches. The high refresh rate of 3480 Hz provides smooth, flicker-free, high-quality images. As we know, the higher the refresh rate, the lower the screen flicker, and the higher the image clarity. As you would expect from an outdoor LED display product, the Absen LED Lightbox and the AW series within it are both IP65 rated, providing a fully waterproof product that is usable in all weathers come rain or shine. The professional fin heat dissipation design of the AW series, combined with the efficient air circulation in the housing, provides greater operational efficiency with lower power consumption, lower operational costs, and potentially longer lifetimes. When it comes to the installation of the Absen LED Lightbox, the removable eye bolt design located on top of the housing allows for the lifting and lowering of the complete unit in one piece. Once installed, the tempered glass doors can be on the top or the side hinged, opening out to 90 degrees, allowing full access for maintenance as and when required. The built-in plug-and-play controller facilitates easy playback, content management and publishing. However, if a client has an alternative preference for the controller, then all recognized industry controllers are compatible with Absen display technology. The built-in light sensor technology ensures optimum brightness performance in all daytime and nighttime lighting conditions, avoids unnecessary light pollution, and contributes to reducing the power consumption. The Absen Smart Module design allows for remote monitoring of the display, ensuring timely detection, intervention, and maintenance of any potential LED module faults. And in combination with the processing system software, faulty or dead pixels can be identified with alarms and/or notifications sent via email to the service maintenance provider. The security of your Absen LED Lightbox display can be guaranteed when using a private cloud service. As with display controllers, Absen can provide this for you, or you can choose your preferred provider of private cloud services. Let's have a look at reference installations for the Absen Advertising LED Lightbox. Typically, we're talking about the Absen Advertising LED Lightbox display solutions being used in street furniture applications such as bus shelters, digital advertising on concourses in and around shopping malls, roadside or large venue applications, and of course in transportation at bus stations, railway stations and airports, with multifunctional capabilities for advertising, travel schedules, public information and wayfinding. These reference images are for a specific project in Brazil that utilised Absen's 3.9mm pixel pitch product. Come and talk to us about your opportunity and requirements, and we'll work in partnership with you to provide the optimum LED Lightbox solution. We can also share with you many other LED Lightbox references we've recently provided for a number of the leading out-of-home companies. Thank you for your attention. I'd now like to give you a quick update and some insights into our latest solutions for the sports market. In this short presentation, I'll provide an overview of the various application scenarios, Absen's solutions for the sports markets, and again some recent key references. Sports LED displays are found in both outdoor stadiums and indoor arenas for various types of ball sports, track and field, gymnastics, swimming events, ice-based events, etc. At present, Absen can provide sports LED display solutions for more than 40 different sports, including football, basketball, ice hockey, cricket, rugby, athletics, tennis, etc. Outdoor scenarios. As can be seen from the images on this slide, there are multiple applications for outdoor LED displays in stadium complexes. Aside from the in-venue crowd, the primary focus for most of these displays is for high-definition live broadcasts, or more recently virtual broadcasts on products such as pitch-side perimeter displays. Major events and competitions are extremely demanding, They need stability and consistency of display's performance, which must be foolproof with zero failures. As a trusted LED supplier, Absen focuses on providing customers with professional integrated sports LED display solutions and control devices that meet the key requirements for the stadiums. These would include intelligence. LED display solutions now need to have multi-system centralized management and control working across multiple screens on multiple sizes and configurations. They also need intelligent linkage and backup redundancy capability, ensuring constant uptime. The displays must be simple and convenient with easy operation and quick maintenance, allowing minimal time, no fuss, low-cost interventions. They must be multifunctional with high brightness, high definition, high refresh rates, high reliability, and super wide viewing angles. They must clearly show accurate data and statistics such as timing and scoring information for the crowd and for the broadcaster. They'll have to have TV signal access and live signal broadcast, including slow motion playback, but also advertising content, as this provides the majority of the revenue for these venues. And finally, they have to save energy. Within this portfolio of display solutions for sports, Absen has low power consumption product options. Absen Sports outdoor LED displays have the necessary environmental protection ratings to operate in all weather conditions. Indoor scenarios. LED applications for indoor arenas are very similar to those in outdoor stadium environments, with the main differences being in resolution, typically higher resolution for indoor, and brightness, which is typically lower because there's no daylight or sunlight to compete with. And the IP ratings, which, with the exception of swimming pools, obviously don't need to be IP65. From a display performance perspective, indoor events are as demanding as outdoor events and also require stability and consistency of the display's performance with zero failures. What products are in the Absen Sports portfolio? Whether it's the main screen, scoreboards, perimeter or ribbon displays, the Absen LED Sports portfolio provides products designed specifically for the various applications and requirements of the stadium and arena environment. Features include data and power redundancy, knockdown and hinge safety gates, top service ribbon products, lightweight structures, and multiple cabinet sizes for maximum configuration flexibility. Let's have a more in-depth look at some of the sports-specific products. For pitch-side perimeter, the Absen A99 LED perimeter display is available in 6mm and 10mm pixel pitches and at two heights, at 600mm and 900mm. Some of the key features of the Absen A99 played a big part in it being selected as the perimeter product used at all of the stadiums for the recent FIFA Football World Cup in Qatar. These features include industry-leading visual performance, dual power and data backup, easy, quick and efficient maintenance, and player protection soft pads. For your big screen live video, video replays, scoring information, and in-venue advertising and branding, the Absen A series is a super slim, super lightweight, ultra-low power LED display product, available in 4 resolutions as both an SMD and a DIP product. For maximum configuration flexibility, the product's available in 5 different cabinet sizes. For sports applications such as cricket, which is played in full sunlight or high ambient light conditions, the Absen A series is available as a 10,000 nits super high brightness product. For most other sports applications, the standard brightness product at 7,500 nits provides more than enough brightness to provide clear, bright images. This visual performance, combined with high stability, proven reliability, and low operating costs, make the Absen A series your sports venue product of choice. Available in 6mm and 10mm pixel pitches, the Absen S series is a relatively new addition to the portfolio, and it's designed to meet the servicing demands of ribbon displays in outdoor applications. It's available in 2 cabinet sizes for additional flexibility, with configuration of the overall display. Typically located in mid or upper tiers of a venue, ribbon displays can only be serviced by having top access. The Absen S series design solves this problem by allowing the front face of each cabinet to be lifted out as a single column, meaning that only one engineer is required to facilitate this process, thus saving time and money. For indoor sports applications requiring the wow factor, we recommend our new NX series. Available in a range of pixel pitches from 1.5mm to 3.75mm, the NX series offers the added benefit of flexible, creative configurations with a quarter-size cabinet. Through key features of the NX series, such as HDR10 image processing technology, brightness levels of up to 1,500 nits, adjustment for bright and dark lines, and front and rear maintenance, you are always assured of clear, bright images, with the added security of knowing the product's reliable and quick and easy to service in the event that any interventions are required. Available in 4mm pixel pitch and 2 cabinet sizes, like the Absen S series, the Absen PSCT is a relatively new addition to the portfolio and is designed to meet the servicing demands of ribbon displays in indoor applications. As previously mentioned, ribbon displays are typically located in mid or upper tiers of a venue and can only be serviced by having top access. The Absen PSCT has the same top service capabilities as our S series, allowing quick and easy maintenance by one engineer. For indoor courtside perimeter displays, Absen offer the AS4 SP in a 4mm pixel pitch, as these venues normally have shorter viewing distances. The higher resolution ensures clear, crisp images and information for the in-venue and broadcast audiences. The Absen A4 SP is compliant with FIBA standards for use in basketball, and its key features include proven stability and reliability, high refresh rates to ensure excellent on-camera imagery, robust design to prevent damage on impact from players or their equipment, quick and easy setup with lightweight movable cabinets, and ease of servicing and maintenance when required. Working with partner suppliers, Absen displays are the final link that allows the showing of key information such as timing and scoring data, post-match statistics, real-time competition information. These systems support multiple connection controls via wired or wireless communication interfaces. For example, timing and scoring systems used in football not only provide match timing and scoring, but also other key information such as team names, yellow and red cards, extra time info, countdown timers, player lineups, player substitutions, and player statistics. Other complementary features included in products supplied by Absen partners and used in conjunction with LED sports displays include slow motion playback systems. These systems offer enriched live displays and provide vivid live footage to production staff, screen playback for stadiums and live broadcasters, and real-time slow-motion footage and highlight replays for TV or internet viewers, as well as multi-angle playback. In addition, HD videos of live content can be recorded during the games and played back in slow motion or captured for playback at a later date. Let's have a look at a few references that have benefited from Absen LED sports display technology. As already mentioned, the recent FIFA Football World Cup featured over 2,000 square meters of Absen A99 perimeter displays. The product was our 6.25mm pixel pitch version and was used in all of the World Cup stadiums. Working with one of our leading system integration partners, in October 2022, Absen completed the installation of more than 877 square meters of Absen N series LED at Salt Lake City's Vivint Arena for the NBA's Utah Jazz. Incorporating over 70 million pixels, the installation has been described as truly one of a kind and a first in any American stadium. The recent use of Absen LED sports display solutions at the 2022 FIFA World Cup in Qatar was not the first time Absen was a key supplier for FIFA. As the previous FIFA Football World Cup in 2018, Absen displays were at the forefront of big screen technology. To finish off my presentation, this is another great example of Absen LED sports displays in action, with giant 4K center-hung displays and multiple ribbon displays at the NBA Golden One Center in Sacramento. The arena is using multiple resolutions of display with location-specific mechanical design to ensure ease of servicing and maintenance. Thank you for joining me to learn about Absen's latest developments in out-of-home and sports. Next, it's time to showcase our newest innovative products in our new category brand. Part one of the next presentation is AbsenLive. Empowering your stage, AbsenLive is a dedicated category brand of Absen, focused on high-end rental and staging market and virtual production XR stages. Through state-of-the-art LED, AbsenLive facilitates the fusion of virtual and real, which brings an immersive experience to the audience and creates extraordinary value for the customers. Welcome, Christian.
Thank you, Ross. Welcome to all attendees of our Absen Spring event, and welcome to AbsenLive. My name is Christian Chimney. I'm Industry Product Director, and I cover the role of being the interface between market and customers and our technical departments like R&D and product lines. It is a pleasure for me to let you again be part of the launch of a new product, the JP Pro series. But first, please do allow me to tell you a bit about the target market for this new product. The global music event market size was valued at 152 billion in 2021 and is projected to reach 481 billion by 2031, which is more than 3 times the size in 10 years and growing at a compound annual growth rate of 9.7% from 2022 to 2031. The global music events market is expected to witness spurring growth due to the increase in music tourism activities around the world. Music festivals are expected to be the dominant segment during the forecast period. This is due to the increasing popularity of music festivals among Jews. Young and middle-aged make up the bulk of the crowd among all age groups. Market giants operate in this segment and sponsor such events to re-establish consumer awareness of their products and services, which in turn fuels the growth of the global market. Additionally, these music festivals provide the opportunity for merchandising and selling various products to customers at different prices, which helps the organizers to generate additional revenue. Beginning this year, worldwide, there were more than 15,000 concerts announced. Those need the equipment and LED screens for the show and the audience, which is where we come in place to offer our products and the product I'm speaking about. Empowering your stage, AbsenLive is a dedicated category brand of Absen, focusing on high-end rental and staging market and virtual production XR stage spaces. Building on decades of experiences in LED displays, AbsenLive is a top choice for global businesses that demand high image quality, an extremely stable structure, and excellent color reproduction. Through state-of-the-art LED, AbsenLive enables the fusion of virtual and real, providing an immersive experience for audience and creating exceptional value for customers. Let me shortly jump into the AbsenLive product portfolio. So today, as I said at the beginning, I'm going to speak about the JP Pro series, the Jupiter Pro series, which we can see in the middle segment on the right side. So that is our touring display segment, let's call it. There already established is the Venus series, the VN series with a 1,500 by 1 meter cabinet and also smaller sizes of that, but the huge size is for touring installation to speed up installation. Then our general display, even that it should not be negatively to speak about general, it's our portfolio for virtual production and XR as well. So we have a dedicated designed product for virtual production, which is Pixel Reality series with high attention on color reproduction. The Aries Pro series for the small pixel pitch, 16 by 9 aspect ratio product. And our kind of tool for everything, our Polaris series within that segment. And then the bit more creative displays are Jupiter series, also look-through and mesh product and lightweight. And then last but not least, the Mars series, the LED floor. So let me go into detail of Jupiter Pro series. What we speak about, it's high transparency, full outdoor application, and it's made for touring. So let me dive into the details of the high transparency, which means also at the same time it's fit for outdoor use, it's lightweight, but even that it's lightweight, it's also durable and has strong and composite structure. Let me go into detail step by step. So the Jupiter Pro panel offer the outdoor touring solution for transparent screens. So we have a 8.9 millimeter pixel pitch, horizontal and vertically. And the transparency rate of this product is 50%. And as I said, as it's built for outdoor, for sure it comes with the IP65 rating. And as you see, because not yet mentioned, is a 1 meter by 1 meter panel and quite handy to use for one person. And another reason why it's handy to be used by one person is that it's 19 kilogram per one panel. So because at the same time that we see the trend in outdoor market and mesh products, it's also about lightweight. And there you see also kind of a result. This product can be installed in hanging condition by 24 meters in height. And we also have a dedicated, later on I will speak about, wind bracing system where we can install this screen in Beaufort wind force scale up to level 8. So how we do achieve all of those? So it's again what I mentioned in between, composite structure. So carbon fiber tube is used in combination with die-cast aluminium cabinet. So to get the best out of both materials. We add, or as an option, we can add a bottom protection so that you can really put the cabinet onto the floor, or the stagehands can just release it onto the floor. But as I said, it's an option. As you see, we can add this protection by screws, and the open position is horizontally so that it doesn't affect the look-through effect. So next, so it's really done for outdoor application. So high brightness, hanging stacking condition, but again, let me go into detail. So high brightness means 4000 nit, 16-bit, and it's all about the picture performance, where we take care of even that we, let's say, speak about a mesh product. Also 3840 Hertz, 160-degree horizontal and 140-degree vertical viewing angle. And by default, it will come with Brompton and also NovaStar as an option, whatever you prefer. Then it's, again, as I said, it's from touring segment. What we took care of is that we have a very strong locking system and also good feedback, as you can see in this slide. So once the vertical side lock is locked or open, a red or a green indicator, and really the side lock to be used with big hands as well. And those side locks are able to have fixed angles in 5-degree steps from -10 convex to +15-degree concave. But also, as you might see on the detailed picture, you can get every angle in between if you just release the clamping handle and fix it later on the angle you want. So this is an example of hanging and stacking installation. So as you see, and as I mentioned, 24 meters for hanging screen with all components needed, and then also the quite, let's say, popular stacking system, which is seen in our PL series, AX series, and others as well. So we keep the same concept. Maintenance for sure is also important to consider about in the rental and staging industry and market. So we decide for large size modules which get released from the backside by some screws. And it's a quite big panel, but the big panel has the advantage that it's really stable in itself, and you can change quite quickly this module. And as I said, it's a big size, and it's mentioned in here, a 1 meter by 250 millimeter height panel that can be exchanged without that you need to touch the power box. Touring solutions. And that is also including wind bracing and for sure the dolly system. That can be separately attached and will also finally end up in this V structure behind the cabinet. And again, on this slide, you see an empty dolly, a stacked dolly, and the dolly including the hanging bracket. But the most important part of this is there are, as usual, always advantages, disadvantages for this foldable hanging bracket. So means if you detached it from the cabinet, you can get 6 cabinets into one dolly, and that make a change at least in transportation and how to fill one truck. And if you decide to have separately attachable wind bracing system, then you can even transport 360 square meter within one truck or 40 HQ container. So please enjoy the video and the summary of the JP Pro series. So I hope you enjoyed, and it was a nice summary for you, that video, which will also for sure be later on available, so that you can review it with all the features we are speaking about for the JP Pro. But what is it for? So I give you some examples of the applications. So it can be a fully curved transparent screen, as we see here. Or it can be a flat main screen. So for example, done by our VN series. As I said, quick setup, huge screen sizes in a very short installation time. And then we have left and right side transparent sub or side screens. And those are applications for this. What is next? So let me give you a small forecast of what is coming up next in our roadmap. It's a creative platform. It's the FL series. As you see, it's a curvable cabinet, 500 millimeter cabinet size, and we will take care of that. It is compatible with our PLV10 series, PLV2 series, and also NT series. So that is a nice add-on on those series. Deeper and more information you will hear from me next time for the next Absen event, which is the Absen Autumn event. What it can do. So again, 2 examples. So just to give you an idea, there can be a large angled curved screen combined with a flat screen, as we see here. Or we can even install a cylinder. And again, as I said, it would be compatible with the PL series and the NT series. That's it from my side. Thank you very much for you attending Absen Spring event and my presentation. Now it is time for the Absenicon, the all-in-one display solution for corporate, education and home theater with ultra-high definition, wide color gamut and high reliabilities. Let's welcome Darren.
Thanks, Christian, and great to be back. My name is Darren Banks, Industry Development Director for the corporate markets here at Absen, and today I'm delighted to bring you the latest product launch within the Icon series family. For those who may be new to Absen or new to the Icon series is a large format, all-in-one LED display designed specifically to replace tiled LCD video wall panels and projection solutions in the Pro AV and education markets. The common applications for the Icon series include those on screen, but essentially any application where you would see a 2x2, 3x3, 4x4 array of 55-inch LCD video wall panels, or equally a 3, 4, 5 meter wide projected image in the same environment. Ultimately, the Icon series has been developed specifically to replace these aging technologies with a much newer, improved technology which addresses many of the pain points associated with the older display technologies. With the addition of these 2 new Icon series models, this completes the Absen all-in-one LED range for now. And as you can see from the flat slides, the full Icon series product lineup now covers 6 time series and 18 different models across a proposition lineup of value, mainstream, and premium models. Value models addressed the price-sensitive markets with the economic or E-series models. The mainstream models offer a perfect balance of price and performance with the classic or C-series models. And the premium models offer the latest micro-LED flip chip onboard technology with the new X and M series models. Our first new product launch today is the Icon X series, which is a premium micro-LED display designed for the corporate and Pro AV markets. Utilizing the latest flip chip onboard technology, the Icon X series is the perfect partner for high-end applications in the corporate, finance, technology, or pharmaceutical markets. As a general introduction, the X series is available in 3 standard sizes, 108-inch, 136-inch, and 163-inch diagonal, all of which, of course, are in a 16:9 ratio. The X series also utilizes the latest micro-LED flip chip onboard technology, which offers the best possible brightness, color, and contrast performance from any LED display available today. The same flip chip onboard technology also offers a much reduced power consumption and heat output compared to previous generations of LED technology. And in addition to all of these improvements, the X series is simple and easy to use via the remote control or via the Ethernet connection using Extron, Crestron, or similar Pro AV control systems. As well as using the latest flip chip technology, the Icon X series offers 600 nits of brightness, which is more than enough to punch through any amount of ambient light in a meeting room, boardroom, or conference room environment without needing to dim the lights or close the blinds. The ultra-wide 170-degree viewing angle means the audience can view the content wherever they are in the room without any worries of the content being visible or not. This also allows customers to increase the audience numbers of the room, as they aren't limited to the traditional display's viewing angles. The fully featured X Series comes with embedded speakers, as well as signal antenna preposition, which brings better transmission signal, and a lift-type control box, which is more convenient for any maintenance. Boasting industry-leading stats on colour and contrast accuracy, the X Series will definitely raise your expectations on what is possible from an LED display. All of which, of course, is combined with full screen calibration right out of the Absen factory. Seeing is believing, and by integrating multiple Absen image optimization technologies, the X Series enhances the clarity and visibility to bring out natural details and vivid colours for more realistic and incredible images. The Icon X modules are coated with a matte black polymer material, which brings an unrivaled deep and pure black performance level to the display. This significantly improves the visual performance to an unprecedented level, whilst at the same time offering improved front-end protection for the modules. This is very much a win-win situation. This polymer coating also offers anti-glare properties to avoid any unwanted reflection or modularization on the screen. Here at Absen, we believe eye fatigue can be real, especially in high-use applications such as executive briefing rooms, boardrooms and control rooms, where users can be sat for prolonged periods of time. To ensure a comfortable viewing experience, we've implemented a 3-step process in the design of the new Icon X series. Firstly, the non-glare surface light brings a softer and more uniform light, relieving the eye fatigue experience when watching the screen for long periods of time. Secondly, thanks to the flip chip onboard technology and Absen's common cathode technology, the screen can always stay cool, regardless of the operating environment. Operating noise is also reduced to less than 25 decibels to ensure a comfortable experience in the given environment. As we know by now, the X Series panel type is a chip-on-board encapsulation technology, which effectively protects the display from external impact. The Absen panel type packaging treatment process ensures that the screen surface can withstand a variety of environmental challenges with anti-touch mark, anti-collision, water resistance, dust resistance, anti-oxidization, anti-static characteristics, all of which lead to an ultra-long service life with ultra-low maintenance costs for our customers. Icon X is a COB technology, and therefore it's protected, and it can be supplied with an optional high-precision infrared touch frame. And this opens up a whole host of opportunities and possibilities in the meeting room, boardroom, teaching spaces, as well as museums and attractions markets. This touch system enables intelligent writing via a built-in smart whiteboard app, which instantly turns the screen into a large writing board for those impromptu meetings. The touch system can achieve accuracy of 1mm touch, and it will also support multi-person online writing and up to 20 points of touch at the same time. The remote control can be connected by infrared or Bluetooth from a range of 20 meters and offers the basic control functions such as switching on and off, brightness adjustments, signal switching, function switching, etc. Essentially no different to using a remote control for your television or monitor at home. And for those more professional integrated solutions, the Icon series is fully compatible with leading Pro AV control systems, including Extron and also Crestron systems via Ethernet connection. And this makes the integration seamless for the end user. And again, this saves time and money during the installation phase of the project. Using the inbuilt monitoring software, up to 4 images from participants' devices can be shared at the same time, which offers a chance for more collaborative meetings through better information sharing. This feature is perfect for those last-minute ad hoc meetings where multiple pieces of content need to be shared. The Icon series comes with a powerful Android backbone or optional Windows module to enhance the performance and reliability of the operating system. The Android module provides a straightforward way of human-computer interaction, whereas the PC module would offer greater security, broader compatibility, and a more powerful performance. The Icon X series offers up to a 40% energy saving, which is achieved by a combination of technological innovations, as well as the adopted recyclable carton packaging design. Absen Green, as a new green initiative, brings together industry-leading efforts in sustainability, environmental protection, energy efficiency, and corporate social responsibility. And this reaffirms our commitment to a better future for all. Ultimately, the Icon X series is a result of all of these efforts. Shipped as a modular kit, the Icon series can be built to be either wall-mounted as a fixed display or mounted on a trolley for those customers who wish to move the screen around the building for a multi-purpose use. Either way, building and installing the screen is expected to take a team of Absen certified engineers a day to install. And now for part 2 of the product launch, may I introduce you the new Icon C Ultra-Wide series. These new C Ultra-Wide models sits within the mainstream category, and as the name suggests, it's a wider display canvas than traditional 16:9 displays. And this has been really introduced to satisfy demand from our corporate clients wanting to benefit from the extended canvas space for video collaboration platforms such as Microsoft Teams and Zoom software packages. As with all of the Icon series, the ultra-wide comes in 3 standard sizes, being 154, 181, and 208-inch diagonal, all of which are optimized for 21:9 aspect ratio content. The resolution is essentially wide HD, with the vertical resolution being 1080 pixels high, making them ideal for meeting rooms, boardrooms, and larger conference venues. Obviously much larger than traditional LCD displays, the Icon series are operated and controlled in the same way via remote control or through a Pro AV system such as Crestron or Extron. Why ultra-wide? Bigger isn't always better, but with 33% more screen area than 16:9 displays, you can see why many end users are looking for ultra-wide 21:9 aspect ratio for their upcoming Microsoft Teams front row or Zoom Room technology refreshes. The wider digital canvas enables you to share more content for better collaboration and to allow more productive meetings. Also, often limitations in room design is ceiling height, not the width, so these ultra-wide screens also help with this pain point too. Far more than just a screen, the ultra-wide is a highly integrated package including modules, cabinets, controller, wall mounts, cables, and all the necessary display elements needed for the installation. The all-in-one actually refers to the part code or SKU. The modular kit can then be built into any predetermined size. Absenicon Series LED offers 100% seamless design with no unsightly bezels, joins, or mullions to obscure the content. At only 5mm, the super slim edge trim kit is designed to ensure a professional finish by covering the side aspect of the LED display. This trim kit represents a 98% screen-to-body ratio, which provides viewers with a more immersive experience and a more aesthetically pleasing display. The ultra-wide series offer next-generational color performance with 110% of the NTSC color gamut possible. Along with the 14-bit grayscale, this ensures users can more accurately match corporate logos, brand identities, and color schemes. This, combined with the 600 nits of brightness, ensures all content is visible in all conditions with no need to dim the house lights or close the blinds. Having the house lights on and still having an impactful, vibrant image is one of the key benefits of LED, and it really helps the audience stay alert and retain more information. All Icon series provide excellent picture consistency and uniformity, which brings a better viewing experience for the users. The whole screen is calibrated before leaving the factory for screen brightness and color to ensure the highest levels of quality are achieved. And let's face it, no one likes a video wall display where the colors are mismatched. The ultra-widescreen ratio design is in line with the physiological structure of human eyes and has been certified for low blue light to avoid eye fatigue when viewed for long periods of time. This is particularly important in high-hue scenarios such as control rooms, experience centers, lobbies, and executive briefing centers. The Icon series come with standard with an Android operating system, which offers stronger software compatibility at any time with a single click. Smooth internet connection with a dual-band Wi-Fi, as well as screen mirroring and internet browsing, are also available at the same time. The modular design of these all-in-one displays makes transportation to and around site much easier. The finished Absen Icon C ultra-wide display can be easily built and installed within a day by a team of Absen certified engineers. And as the design is modular, any installation or maintenance is made very easy for the client, with any service part being able to be swapped out within 30 minutes from the on-site spares kit. Thank you for your time and attention. That concludes my part in today's spring launch presentation. If you have any questions, please reach out to your local Absen representative for more details. It's been a pleasure hosting you, and I would like to now hand you over to my colleague Vishal, who will talk to you more about the AbsenCP products. Vishal, over to you.
Hello friends, a very warm welcome to you all. My name is Vishal Kamal and I am here to introduce the AbsenCP to you all. AbsenCP is not just a product, it is a solution to all the problems the modular based on-site assembly LED faces. And that's the reason we call it creativity with simplicity. Let's move forward and get into the more details of this concept. On-site assembly or modular-based LED has its own space in the industry, and it is estimated to be as big as $10 billion. Main reason for the existence of this type of segment in the industry is the price. Size of the segment is substantial, so it cannot be ignored. But the segment is highly unorganized and there is no standardization. So there lies a strategic opportunity for us as Absen. That's how the AbsenCP takes its birth. Now if we look at the image on the slide, that's the current state of modular based on-site assembly. Isn't it too clumsy? I'm sure nobody wants it this way. But it still exists because of the non-availability of a proper solution. AbsenCP is the solution. So AbsenCP is not an on-site assembly. It is a ready-to-use LED solution with excellent product design, very reliable raw material, standard manufacturing process with high standards of quality control, and extraordinary visual effects. That's how the AbsenCP installation looks like. Ready-to-use panels for quick, neat and clean installation. It is completely a risk-free solution as there are no power boxes, receiving cards or cables hanging at the backside. These panels has everything integrated inside. This solution is completely safe and trustworthy. It has got the required safety certificates, unlike on-site modular assembly. CP solution can cater to multiple applications in the commercial display segment, right from retail stores to hotels, exhibition halls, shopping malls, etc. Let us now understand the product offerings in CP product lineup. There are two cabinets concept, 1.8 to 2.5 mm pixel pitch are ready to use magnetic panels, and 1.5 and 1.2 pixel are in aluminum die-cast cabinet solution. Let's get into more details of it. That's the all-in-one magnetic cabinet with specially designed integrated power supply and receiving card unit. It has got a back cover which completely seals the unit. These ready-to-use panels can directly be mounted on the structure with far better flatness capability on the screen. And that's what you call as creativity and simplicity. Very simple data and power cable cascade design. It comes with very high refresh rate of 3840 Hz, which supports high grayscale at low brightness for true color reproduction. Standard panel size of 320 by 480 mm, which can be stacked together to build the large screen. But at the same time, it gives you the flexibility to have a smaller panel of 320 by 320 mm by removing one module from the standard panel. To support this function, smaller cabinet back cover is also supplied as an optional accessory. This gives a large amount of flexibility while making the video walls. With AbsenCP, the installation efficiency increases by 30%, which can effectively reduce the installation cost. As I mentioned earlier, it gives you a standard, neat and clean installation without any risk of any sort. CP series supports full front maintenance with vacuum tools for easy operation and assembly and requires no special maintenance channels. Now we will discuss the 1.2 and 1.5 mm pixel pitch solution in AbsenCP. This comes with the 640 by 480 high precision aluminum die casting cabinet which achieves ultra high flatness. It is a rodent and dust proof panel with closed design. It adopts PWM LED driver IC to improve display performance. No scanning lines in the camera's display with high refresh rate of 3840 Hz, supporting high grayscale at low brightness for true to nature colors. There is an option of 320 by 160 panel which can meet the needs for any sizes, splicing with the standard 640 by 480 mm panel. The same panel is designed with high strength alloy material. Ultra thin trim pieces solutions offer customers with high quality time saving services. Hanging installation solution is available to meet the needs of different environments. It is a front and rear maintenance of modules, PSU, and receiving card for optimal convenience. That's all for the AbsenCP. I'm sure we all and the entire industry will get benefited with this solution. You may connect with Absen representatives in your region to get more details and start pitching to your clients. Thank you so very much and happy selling. So far today we have talked about Absen's technology and brand's latest products and solutions. Absen's category brands like AbsenLive, Absenicon, AbsenCP's latest products. And in the end, we sincerely invite more channel partners to join the Absen family. And it's time now to call upon Emma to share more channel recruitment policy. Over to you, Emma. Thank you very much, guys.
Hello everyone, great to see you again at this channel recruitment part. Actually, if you still remember, last year also during the spring event, we launched the Absen channel recruitment program. Actually, during last year, we made a quite good result. But before everything, I would like to introduce you firstly Absen business structure. Actually, this structure shows how Absen product and service reach the end user market. So as you can see, the left side is about Absen product and service, and the right side is the end user different industries. It's the end user market. So we all know in the very beginning, we were doing mainly DOH and also rental staging market. So for those markets, we are mainly selling directly to the end users. We have some distributors, but that's not the main situation. But in the very big Pro AV market, such as corporate, retail, commercial display, education, broadcasting, and also the very large price-sensitive market, as we mentioned before, for example, the module market in China and also in Asia, we go through channels. So we have the first layer, value-added distributor. Of course, there are different types of distributors. We will explain them in the next slide. And we also have value-added partners. So through the channels, Absen service and also Absen products goes into the end user market. And if we take specifically the channel part out, we can see this layout from Absen to value-added distributors to some other second layer system integrators, or Absen also sell directly to value-added partners and then to end users. We can recall again the different functions of these roles in the market. Firstly, value-added distributor. They offer services to partners in terms of sales, logistics, technical support, finance, etc. Of course, we have IT distributor, AV distributor, comprehensive distributor, and also module distributor. Concerning the value-added partner, they focusing on specific industries and offer turnkey solution to the end users. The common tab is top AV integrators and top IT system integrators. The ARP, Absen Registered Partner, they purchase through value-added distributor. They are also system integrators and subcontractors in the market. After 1 year development in 2022, Absen we developed in total more than 1,200 channel partners in the overseas market, and they contributed more than 37% of the sales revenue to Absen. Actually, you can see here, all these names, they are all Absen partners from decades, such as Midwich Group, Ingram, Dictator, Armo, etc. We trust each other and empower each other. At the present, we are still looking for more partners to join Absen. Firstly, we have very clear and transparent China policy, and we stick to our rules. We seek to build long-term relationship with partners instead of short-term business. You will experience a healthy and effective cooperation environment with us. Secondly, there is very clear price policy for partners in different layers, and there is also various support for rebate, marketing, and product demonstration. Thirdly, 22 years manufacturing experiences, strict quality control, more than 4,000 Absen-owned professional engineers and Absen-certified engineers can offer you a guaranteed quality and service. Fourthly, with the global channel strategy and global expert support, we execute actions locally. Local office, local employee, local training, and local service will deliver the partners a timely support during the co-cooperation process. In 2023, we will continue to expand our channel network, and we will keen to meet more partners to make the world shine more together. Let's join hands and connect to the future. Well, I guess we are getting close to the end. I hope all of you have enjoyed the speech together with us and get some valuable information. Absen will continue to make efforts to develop leading LED products and technologies focused on customers' needs, and will also help our partners to succeed in the market. Finally, I would like to thank again for all the partners who have trusted Absen in the past years. Thanks for your continued support. Absen is always looking forward to creating a more exciting future with you. We will be more than happy to have you in Absen family. So, finally, in the end, thanks for your coming. Wish you all the best and see you next time.